Hey there, is your Google TV Streamer not working as it should? In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Google TV Streamer with some straightforward solutions that will get you back to streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Let's dive in and troubleshoot some common issues you might be facing with your Google TV device. Step 1. Check connections. First things first, ensure all the connections are secure. Double check that your Google TV streamer is properly plugged into your TV's HDMI port and the power source. If you're using any adapters or HDMI switches, verify that they're functioning correctly. Sometimes simply unplugging and replugging the device can solve connectivity issues. Step 2. Restart your device. Restarting your Google TV is often the quickest and easiest fix. To do this, unplug the device from the power source, wait about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can clear caches and glitches that might be causing streaming problems. Once your Google TV restarts, try loading your streaming apps again. Step 3. Update software. Ensure your Google TV streamer is running the latest software version. Navigate to Settings, System, About, System Update. If an update is available, install it. Keeping your software up to date is crucial as updates can fix bugs and enhance performance. Step 4. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is key for streaming. Go to Settings, Network and Internet on your Google TV to see if it's connected to Wi-Fi. If the connection is weak, try moving your router closer or use a wired Ethernet connection, if possible. Additionally, restarting your router can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Step 5. Clear app cache and data. If a specific app is causing trouble, clearing its cache and data might help. Go to Settings, Apps, See All Apps, select the problematic app and choose Clear Cache or Clear Data. Keep in mind, clearing data will reset the app to the state it was in when originally downloaded, so you might need to log in again. Step 6. Factory reset. If none of the previous steps work, a factory reset could be your last resort. Be aware this will erase all data on your device, so only proceed if you're willing to set everything up from scratch. Go to Settings, System, About, Factory Reset, and follow the on-screen instructions. So there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix common issues with your Google TV streamer. From checking connections to performing a factory reset, each method is designed to tackle different potential problems. Remember, regular updates and network maintenance can prevent many issues before they even start. By learning how to fix Google TV Streamer, you can enjoy your entertainment seamlessly without unexpected interruptions. If problems persist, contacting Google support might be the next step. Happy streaming, and see you next time.